Hey guys, what's up? Jumper580HL here, and today I am gonna be. By the way, I bought a new eagle because why not? and no, I tried to glitch out, didn't work. Anyways, today I'm gonna be buying a otter in the diamond shop, and I am not going. I'm gonna buy. Wait, no, I won't. I just got a lion before I got a lion, but I forgot to record it, so I'm just gonna include that in today's video. It looks terrible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna clear it. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, anyway, when you get a lion, you get a color sort of like this. What is that? Okay, you get a color that's a bit like this. See, so I'm just gonna make a quick look, I guess. I'll make a look. Be right back. Okay, guys, I am back, and I just made the look with the lion. Let's just say, oh, okay, that's why. Let's just say it was really, kind of hard to pick what to make with this animal because you don't know what clothes would go good. That's not too bad. Because it was a bit tricky, but I want to show something. I'm not sure if this is a glitch or anything. Oh, no. By the way, my trading and gifting was disabled for 2 more days. I have no idea why. Okay, scarf. Look at how you wear your Dream Holiday scarf. It's probably under all the hair. So, I guess now we're gonna get into the I don't have any achievements. We're gonna get to the fun part. Well, not really, but we're gonna see the actions. I haven't done this for some reason. I just got it because I was I could go beta farming. Anyway, so here's how it dances. It's just moving left and right. Sleeps. That looks familiar. I love how the tail's moving too. Hop. Not too bad. Play. Oh, I forgot to do the eyes. Give me a minute. There, okay. So, does it sit? Alright. So now we're gonna get on to the otter, and I'm so excited. Let's name it a crunching commander. Admiral. I should have something that I just call all of them. All of my animals. Admiral. Frozen? Admiral Frozen Eyes. What's this called right? OEFGHIJKLMN. Oh, okay. What? There's no otter. Oh, there. Okay. Admiral Fast Otter. Why? Because I'm sure I want to get 10 million. I hope this is fair. Oh, that looks adorable. I kind of look like a chipmunk. Oh, that's cool. I think this works in the water. Wait, so if I have a bunch of stuff for what if I have a bunch of land stuff? Let's do not that definitely. I think that's okay. Yeah. What happens if I go to water? Because if I'm correct, this is also a water animal. Oh, it's all leaves. Okay. Then I guess. Oh, okay. So, give me 1 minute. Okay, I don't think I have anything that looks good on it. So give me a minute, I guess I'm gonna shop. Okay, I couldn't really find much to wear, so I just bought that. Nothing else. I'm gonna need to work on this off camera. What happened? Okay. Oh, give me 1 minute. Okay, shout out to Lalong the crocodile. She's my buddy, actually. I was like, she's here? Oh, what does this say? Yeah, animal jam. Does rock. Anyways, he said hi, so hi. Oh, that was an accident. Oh, what's that? Okay, I'm on a roll. Okay, she said hi. Do I need a pufferfish? Okay, alright, so I'm just gonna continue here the actions you could do in water. Pose. Look left and right. Dance. Dive. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's right. Swirl. Well, like, in the adventures, I once thought when they said like swirl around the pipe, I thought it meant, yay. I thought that it meant, do this. So I'm like, it's not working. And now I feel bad about myself. And then play. Oh, wait, what's that? A fish? Alright. Now I'm going to show you guys what it does in land. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm on land. Here's the actions. Is the dance the same? I don't think so. So at least they put 2 dance moves. Sleep. That's so cute. So cutie. Again, shout out to Lalong the crocodile. Hop. Ah, the otter is just so cute. And play. So many fishes. Oh wow. I love how I just get it out of my pocket and then eat it. Are those toys or real fish? Okay. Anyways, that's all for today's video. See you guys next time. Bye.